what I'm gonna say about all of this lot. Plastic, fantastic.
Lyocell.
My favorite look. It looks expensive.
Polyester is not your friend. Where are you? Hello. Do look chic.
So hi everyone and welcome back to Shopazon. This is Julie and Lana.
And in today's video we will talk about how to look chic, elegant and put together on a budget.
You can actually get an expensive looking wardrobe and look sophisticated. With these tiny tweaks, expect big results.
And today we're also going to Zara and guide you what looks chic and what looks cheap.
Who doesn't want to look luxe? Looking expensive is easy peasy. And of course, we want you to be savvy when you shop.
A touch of style, and here is how. And no, it's not about changing the buttons and tailor fitting your clothes. All of that requires time and extra expense.
Well, actually, my motto is, if the clothes don't fit, don't buy them.
So we mean practical and realistic tips.
Let's just go to Zara and show you what we mean. And of course, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe in order not to miss any of our great videos. So guys, the first point is to utilize neutral colors. Think like uniforms. Head-to-toe monochrome in any color will look chic and elegant. And of course, wearing same color tones, but maybe in different textures, will elevate any look. Go for simple, streamlined cuts, and of course, avoid very colorful, clashing colors and prints. And look what I found. Elegant aesthetic is less is more. Simple cut, but yet very chic. Mix and match with a simple t-shirt and voila, nobody can put a price tag on that. You're gonna look super expensive.
And tip number 2, invest in timeless, classic pieces with a structured cut. So example, black jeans. Straight cut, simple with no distracts look will take you from a runway-worthy day look to an evening night out with the friends. Sticking to timeless staple pieces like a white shirt that is made of quality material will definitely elevate your look. And have a look at these beautiful jackets. Classic blazer with a little bit of twist. You see, classic cut, a timeless piece will not only look expensive, but will never go out of style.
And sometimes it doesn't have to be neutral, earthy colors. Have a look at this monochrome dress code. It looks chic, it looks elegant, and the most important, it looks expensive. I personally like simple, classic, timeless cuts and designs, and this can stay in your wardrobe forever. And of course, tip number 3, wear clothes that fit you. Choose structured pieces like these over the slouchy and oversized ones. This is a great example that is a no-go. Structured pieces instantly look more polished and professional and instantly look more expensive. And here we're in a section that's gonna give you a headache. It looks so busy. Clashing designs, colors and patterns will definitely not make you look expensive. So where is the structure in this dress? It's just like one big bag. And this, it looks not too bad, but a little bit too busy and too clashy.
And next up, number 4 is pay attention to fabrics. Do lift up some of these pieces and just see, wow, 100% polyester. Hello. Poly, and 4% some of that stretchy stuff. So no natural fabrics found yet. Good news here, we have 55% linen. Nice blend of natural material, makes all the difference. Where are you? Hello. Sometimes it's very hard to find a label. Okay, what do we have here? And it is 100% cotton. That is excellent news. Very classy. I do think this would be a very nice dress for appropriate occasion versus something like this that is also probably made of cotton, yet is not an elegant choice and definitely looks cheap. Structured, timeless pieces is a key. And especially with the summer coming up, we all want to look and feel very comfortable. Polyester is not your friend. Just look at these silky blouses. They are sweat friendly. So what am I personally looking for is summer friendly material, which is 100% linen or 100% cotton, and more of a structured cut, no geometric prints and crazy color schemes, simply one monochrome color that I can not only easily match but also look expensive. It's definitely worth it. Bags, bags, bags. What are we gonna do about the bags? They are a very important part of our overall look. Choosing the right handbag is key. In Zara, there's plenty of budget options. Definitely opt for a structured and very simple plain design. Definitely no logos and fancy chains. I love this classic sleek mini bag. If you do like a little bit of bling, do opt for something that is not too flashy and still very structured.
I'm sure you already know what I'm gonna say about all of this lot, especially this one. Does it scream expensive? I don't think so. All these tacky chains and all this bling, it actually gives away that this is a very cheap bag. And this is not what this video is about.
Shoes, shoes, shoes next. This is one of the most important things that people look in determining whether you're rich. And nothing is worse wearing that tacky, dirty, just cheap looking shoes. Zara has lots of selection, good and bad. I love these beige neutral pointy toe quality sling back shoe. Definitely a timeless classic. Beautiful Chanel-like pumps, two-tone, different material, really nice, elegant and expensive. Summer with a bit of a heel. The more simple, the better. Two-tone, beautiful bow slip-ons. Another great example of a beautiful, elegant shoe that looks expensive. Love the neutral tones with a bit of a detail. If you want something flashier, what about the rest? Well, it's a sad, sad case.
So I don't know why I have to present all the negative parts, but here I am. Nothing screams like a cheap style shoe than all these fake crystals that don't look very expensive and look even worse if you lose one of these crystals. What happens then? Also like a big oversized chunky design shoes with even more oversized chains, that's a no-go. This year all these trendy colors are so fashionable, but I'm gonna tell you one thing. These shoes will last you a year and then they're gone. Okay, what about these? This design, get these if they are the last shoe on this planet. And the last on my list is the plastic fantastic trend. They might look nice, but yet again, they don't look comfortable and they don't look elegant.
And the best accessory you can add to your look to look expensive is in fact beautiful dark sunglasses. And what a difference that makes to your entire look. A classic shape like this, dark, thick frame, will make you stand out and look expensive. So definitely opt for something really classic. Same goes for the jewelry. Absolutely avoid seasonal trinkets and things that are just this year's trend. Instead, buy something gold and very simple minimalist design that will actually complement your look and make you look expensive.
And of course, ladies, look presentable every day, whatever that means. Make a nice manicure, put up your hair, a little touch of makeup will always soften your look. And don't forget to wear a hat.
So looking expensive is not easy. It takes time and thoughtful purchases, and often we don't know what's gonna look expensive and luxurious until we actually put it all together. I'm gonna try and go for an all monochrome look with this dress pants and a simple t-shirt. I'm going with these two pairs of jeans, a pop of color in burnt orange, and beautiful button, elegant beige white pants. As I said, variety of tops because you never know what will give you that wow look. Simple knit t-shirt, can never go wrong with basic colors. Elegant, beautiful top here, and a classic white shirt. This is a must for the summer. I have high expectations to look expensive. In my books, if you want to look expensive, you gotta have matching shoes and bag. This will pull your outfit together and you will look effortless. So definite yes to a classic stiletto and a structured beige bag.
So expensive doesn't have to be boring. Personally, I am going for all these a little bit bohemian looks. Beautiful brown dress, full linen material. Also this short dress, I really want to see how it's gonna look on me. And then I got a classic design, light colored trousers, pants with a nice silky top, and a structured summer blazer. I'm sure it's gonna look amazing. So 3 different looks, and top those up, simple beige sandals and a beautiful casual bag. Let's go, let's wear all these and see how they look. So with this dress, not only did I score great color, great design, a monochrome look, and also a perfect linen material. I'm actually in love with this dress. It's very elegant, also very sexy, but also very comfortable. Breathable material is perfect for this summer, and in any case I would pick cotton, linen, and not polyester, all these materials that will make you just sweat. I feel like a Greek goddess.
I absolutely love this fresh mint lemony zesty color that is very trendy. Head to toe matching monochrome color can't look super expensive, even though this is a cotton blend t-shirt. Simple Zara pants, but hey, if you get the color perfectly, this can look very elegant and expensive. This does not look cheap.
So I kind of like the design, but I thought this shirt dress would be more fitted, and I'm not a big fan of this belt, but I'm sure we can change it. So what I like about this dress, that it's actually beige color that we're looking for, and also that is 100% cotton. And this is our mission today. We're looking for something neutral. We're looking at the materials that would be wearable this summer.
Another casual look with these 100% cotton pants that are very casual, and yet you can create so many different looks. Something more elegant with a bit of twist at the bottom, make these pants more fitted and shorter, or just a casual look with a nice crop t-shirt. I love that it's really high waist, so you can wear crop tops and tuck your blouses in and get that beautiful hourglass silhouette. Screams expensive.
I'm sure that you all have guessed that this is my favorite look. All the beautiful colors put together really elevates the style, and you look super luxurious, but at the same time you look quite casual. A linen cover-up is perfect for the summer. It's a great investment. It's a staple piece. One of these capsule wardrobe essentials. A simple blouse top to go underneath, and of course classic cut high-waisted pants that Zara has in several colors. As you can see, all these neutral colors gives a different vibe, gives a different look. Even though it's Zara, but I instantly feel very expensive. Adding a little bit of the color to this outfit, will make a big difference. Pick the color that suits your complexion.
What do we have here? This is 73% lyocell. I have no idea what lyocell is. It's kind of silky. Oversized shirt is a must for the summer. And whether you want to wear it with tiny shorts and loose, or add a little bit of structure and tie it up, which I prefer, especially with loose flares like this. People that love luxury associate orange with Hermes. That's why I picked this color. And if you keep it classic, you might just convince some of us. Add beautiful accessories, golden chain, beautiful sunglasses, and you are luxe. And look at this, I'm ready for whatever the day brings. Honestly feel it doesn't all have to be creamsicle colors. You can add a splash of color, but make sure to keep it classy. So today we brought you 6 beautiful looks. No reason to look cheap. Do look chic. Many people want to look rich and classy on a budget, and with a little practice, you can too.
Impulse buying is not an option, so think carefully. Will this piece will add value to my appearance, or is it just another bargain or another trend that I cannot miss?
We hope this video was helpful to style yourself to look classy, expensive, rich, and glamorous
on the budget. So thanks for joining us today, and we're gonna see you very, very soon. Bye!